Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by prepping both devices and starting the pairing flow now. Make sure the watch is charged and the phone has Bluetooth and location enabled. These permissions let the app detect the watch. Open the Conekt app and follow its prompt to add a new device. On the watch, navigate to Settings Connectivity Pairing and enable pairing mode so the phone can see it. Once done, keep both devices within a few feet to maintain a stable signal while the app searches. After the phone detects the watch, you select its name and confirm the pairing PIN that appears on both displays. This prevents accidental connections. Then allow the Conekt app to access notifications, contacts, and any health or background location data it requests, because these permissions enable full feature sync. Make sure you stay on the app while the initial data synchronization runs. It may take several minutes. If syncing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then resume the app to continue the transfer. You finish by confirming core features work. Check time accuracy, notification delivery, and available watch faces inside the app and watch settings. If the app prompts for a firmware update, install it and then restart both devices to apply changes and stabilize the connection. If something goes wrong, the quickest reliable fix is to unpair in the phone's Bluetooth settings, perform a factory reset on the watch, and start the pairing flow anew in the Conekt app. This resolves most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.